Good evening. Welcome back to the next episode of Keeping It Simple. As you can see, we have a little challenge here. There is no light, electricity here, and we have made a makeshift arrangement for the light. But that is what life is all about. Everything is not perfect, and with whatever is there, you have to work around and find a solution. So, because of this challenge, we have late today. We are just expecting Dhruv to be joining us any moment, and which I have accepted. And in the next few seconds, Dhruv will join us with the new set of questions for this week. There he is. So, how are you, Dhruv?
I'm good, Bhaiya. How are you, Jai Gurudev?
Jai Gurudev, I'm very good. You can see we have a little challenge here, but we are all happy and raring to go.
Yes, Bhaiya. Thank you so much for keeping your commitment.
That is what life is. It's knowledge in action. Things are not perfect all the time, but you have to find a solution. Be smiling and go through whatever is happening.
Thank you, Bhaiya. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Should I start, Bhaiya?
Yes, we can start.
Okay. Bhaiya, the first question is in Hindi.
Okay.
The question is, भैया कोई अपने लिए बहुत खास हो और वो लोग के लिए अपना कोई इम्पोर्टेंस ना हो तो क्या करें?
देखिए, कोई भी रिश्ता होता है ना, दो तरफा होता है। आप उनको खासियत दे रहे हैं और वो आपको खासियत नहीं दे रहे, तो ये कैसा रिश्ता हुआ, है ना? तो खासियत तो दो तरफा होना चाहिए। हाँ, और अगर आपको लगता है एक तरफा है, तो आप देखिए आपको क्या करना है। कुछ कुछ रिश्ते हो सकते हैं। हिंदुस्तान में तो हम, अगर कोई लड़की वाला है तो वो लड़के वाले को खास मानते हैं, है ना? बाकी कोई रिश्ता तो ऐसा खास होता नहीं है, तो कुछ ना कुछ चला के करना पड़ता है काम, है ना? लेकिन अगर ऐसा रिश्ता नहीं है जहाँ बराबरी हो सकती है, तो देखिए आपको क्या करना है। आपको चलाना है तो आप चलाइए, नहीं चलाना है मत चलाइए, लेकिन जो भी कर रहे हैं ना, एक आपका वो निर्णय है, ये मानकर आप चलिए, ये रिश्ता मुझे चलाना है, ये ऐसा ही है। ये ज्यादा बदलने वाला नहीं है। मैं खासियत देता रहूंगा, वो खासियत देंगे नहीं, और ये परिस्थिति ऐसी ही रहने वाली है, इसमें मैं चलाते रहना है मुझे। या फिर नहीं चलाना है, जो भी करना है शांत मन से करिए। ये तो ऐसा ही रहने वाला है और मुझे नहीं चलाना है। या फिर संपर्क थोड़ा सा कम कर दीजिए, जितना जरूरी है उतना ही संपर्क रखिए। तो ये अलग अलग रास्ते हैं, इसमें क्या निर्णय लेना है वो आपको। ये तो 3 मैंने बताए, ऐसे हजारों रास्ते हो सकते हैं, लेकिन जो भी निर्णय लेना है आपको लेना है और शांत मन से लेना है, ठीक है? वो कितना खास रखता है कितना नहीं रखता। दूसरा रिश्ता हो सकता है कि कोई बॉस है, आप जहाँ नौकरी कर रहे हैं वहाँ बॉस है, वो तो अपना जो भी है करते रहेंगे, आपको तो उनको खासियत देना पड़ेगा। तो कुछ कुछ जगह पे वो आप बराबरी नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन कुछ कुछ जगह है रिश्ते में बराबरी है, और फिर आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि वो रिश्ता जहाँ बराबरी हो सकती है तो करिए, नहीं हो सकती तो छोड़ दीजिए। मन से छोड़ दीजिए, रिश्ता को छोड़ दीजिए, है ना? ठीक है, तो वो आपका निर्णय है कैसे करना है, ठीक है?
The next question is how to take decisions with all emotional aspects in mind.
Sorry, I didn't get the full question.
Yeah, where the question is how to take decisions with all practical and emotional aspects in mind.
See, as far as I am concerned, I will not take all these factors, whatever. See, the sign of a weak person is he will think whether this decision is right or wrong, whether it will fructify in what I desire or it will not fructify in what I desire. The weak people will think. But the intelligent ones, they will, or the strong ones, no matter what decisions they take, they will make it right. Okay, if they think they have taken a wrong decision, they will see what needs to be corrected, they will correct it and make it the right decision. There are so many people who have gone a certain way and made it a success, and there are others also who have gone the same way and made it a failure. There are others also who have gone the other way and made it a success, or all the other alternate ways and made it a success. And there are all sorts of people who have made it a failure also in all the alternate paths also. So it is not on the decision which you make, it is how you are, who you are. If you are strong, then no matter what, you will make every decision a success. So then it does not matter whether I have taken certain things into consideration or not. I move with confidence that no matter what, I might have missed out taking certain things, I will consider it when they create a problem, isn't it? And solve it then and there. So that is what life is. Before decision, nobody knows what is going to succeed or what is not going to succeed. But if you have that confidence that no matter what, I'll make it succeed, then nothing bothers you. You will say, देखा जाएगा, देखेंगे आगे चल के देखते हैं क्या होता है. I'll walk a little on this path and see what happens. If it works out, good. If it doesn't work out, I'll make it happen. Okay.
The next question is, Gurudev said that life always moves in the direction of the best. How?
Yeah, that is what has happened, no? See, you studied in school, you studied in some grade or some class. Okay. Now you went through ups and downs in it's not that you understood everything in the first time and you were very well versed with whatever was being taught to you. In some subjects you struggled, in some subjects you could get through easily. Some lessons were easy, some others were not. And through all that, no matter what happened, you still got promoted to the next class. And you went through all those struggles all over again. And then yet, you were promoted. That is the natural progression. Isn't it? That is what is also happening in life. Sometimes you will know how to solve the situation. Sometimes you will not know how to solve the situations. But over a period of time, you only keep on making progress. Isn't it? You learn your lesson this way or that way, you learn your lesson. And even if you have not learned your lesson, when you go to the next class, the previous class's problems don't appear to be problems. Isn't it? When you're in 10th standard, the second standard, third standard, where you struggled a lot, don't seem to be a problem at all anymore. Isn't it? Even 5th, 6th grade problems don't appear to be problems for a 10th grader. Isn't it? So sooner or later, if not at that time, sooner or later, it will all work out. So we have electricity now. See, progress has happened. Okay.
All right. Next question. Can you talk about how to win in conflict?
Dhruv, you cracked. So can you repeat again?